Hi guys, Erin here, and I'm so excited to unbox the Ninja Foodi Neverstick Cookware. All right, let's open her up. Well, we have some lids, one smaller, one larger. How to cook the perfect French omelet without oil or butter. Love that. So instructions here. We have our first saucepan I've entered into. Okay, so I have a saucepan. Another saucepan with lid. Oh, love this quart pan here. Frying pan. This is like Christmas. It keeps going, y'all. I have another frying pan. And I love to cook, so I'm so excited about this. Okay, we are still digging. Come on, y'all. Still Christmas. Another frying pan. Okay, I think I reached the bottom, but let me make sure. Okay, yes. Santa Claus is off for today. So now we can play, all right? Let's get all these babies unwrapped so you really can see the glory. Oh, and this has some weight. Ooh, do y'all see that shine? I don't know if y'all are catching it, but it has some weight to it as well. I like that. Get another one. Okay. Also weighted, okay? I love matching sets, so this is gonna look great on the stove. Open up the lid here. And you don't get a lot of frying pans with matching tops to it, so that is awesome. Keeps on going. Telling you, look at that. Oh, I'm still going, y'all. Still going. See, where does that go to? Let me have everything laid out here so we can know what goes to what. Boom, that fit that. Let me keep going. Okay, we got more lids. It just keeps on coming. This would be so good to make some soup out of or something. Sick. Oh yeah, when you want to host a dinner, this is definitely the go-to right here. Ah, okay, y'all. Look at our beautiful pans we have here. Like, I just want to host a family dinner, like right now, call over friends, family, and let's get to cooking. But of course, we are gonna cook something today, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bean with me, Erin Wells, and I am so excited. A huge thank you to Ninja for sponsoring this video. They have sent me a collection of their Ninja Foodi Neverstick, y'all. We have 6 pots and pans here that we are going to try out, and I am super excited to see, does it stick, okay? Now, Ninja calls this their ultimate collection, so let's go through each pot and pan, all right, guys? Here is their 6.5 quarts, guys. This is perfect for making a big pot of soup. All these are dishwasher safe and induction safe. Next up, we have their 1.5 quart, just to give you guys a look. And they're all engraved with the Ninja logo. I love that, and so is the lid. Now we have the 2.5 quart, also giving you guys a look inside. We have the 8-inch frying pan, just to give you guys a side by side of my head, okay? Here we have the 3-quart frying pan. This is already my favorite, but don't tell everybody else, okay? And last but not least, we have our 10.25-inch pan to complete our set. I'm ready to cook.